I'm Clare and I work in the refining department of Stephen Betts & Sons, taking in scrap and processing results for customers. I've been in the industry for 20 plus years, 11 of which I've spent at Betts. My colleagues Paul and John also work in the refining department, and between us we have 76 years experience. We take in all sorts of scrap from industry wastes and jewellery manufacturing, from the small customers to the large. We have no minimum quantities, where unlike some of our competitors, we can offer our customers a very fast turnaround time on most scraps and lemons. These are the type of scraps we have in for our customers on a daily basis. These are clean scraps and can be priced straight away. Where the stones, we need to remove them before weighing and processing. And with the gold, we check the hallmarks, and we also check it with an XRF machine to make sure that the carat is what it says it is before we pay our customers. These can be paid immediately if the customer's on the premises, or we can send payment by cheque or bank transfer within 24 hours. This is a mixed pot of scrap. We've got silver, lemel, buff papers and scrap, unhallmarked scrap in here, so we'd need to melt and assay this job. And this one's a lemel with mixed metals. We can melt and assay this, and also assay for platinum, palladium, gold and silver. This batch of scrap has been received by post today and needs to be melted and assayed in order to price it. Each customer's job is processed separately and checked for stones and magnetics before melting. Any magnetics such as wires, paper clips or staples are pulled out and put to one side. We use an electric furnace which is brought up to temperature and the crucible heated before the scrap is then carefully poured in. As we process our scrap on the premises, we can offer our customers a quick turnaround time. This scrap arrived to us this morning, and the customer will have their results later today, and the gold will then re-enter the system of recycled metals. It takes just a few minutes at this temperature for the gold to start to melt and turn liquid. Flux is added to help the gold melt and mix evenly. A mould is heated, ready for the molten metal to be poured into to form a bar. Once the bar has cooled slightly, it's turned out and then cooled further in water. This bar is now ready for testing and will be drilled for a sample for assay.